Premier recommendation. Are you still bothered that you can't find electric power fittings? Wangxi Power Technology strives to build high-voltage cable cleat, which has our own factory. A cable cleat is designed to ensure that cables are fixed, retained, and supported correctly, so that, in the event of short-circuit fault or any other emergency, they will contain the cables without causing damage, enabling the circuit to be restored once the fault has been dealt with. Adopt military-grade overall forging process, excellent quality, surface tint treatment, corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance. Pass the international IEC certification. The quality is guaranteed. We support customization, OEM, ODM services. Whether it is a large industrial project or a power engineering project, our products can provide you with a stable, efficient, and secure connection guarantee. Inquire now and enjoy one-on-one service with a professional engineer. Contact us today for an exclusive quote package to make your project connection more reliable.
OneShare Power Technology. Gather all wisdom to connect the future. OneShare Power Technology Co. Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research, production, domestic and foreign trade and service. The company mainly manufactures a series of products, including electric power fittings, cable accessories, meter boxes, sets of high and low voltage equipment, aluminum casting molds, aluminum products, and other series of products. It is an enterprise authorized to connect to the Chinese state grid and Southern Power Grid. OneShare Power Technology, as a pioneer in the industry, has obtained certifications for ISO 9001, Quality Management System, ISO 14001, Environmental Management System, and ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Products are widely used in power system, rail transit, energy and chemical industry, mobile communication, new energy vehicles, and many other industries. For the renovation project of two grids, west to east power transmission, Shenli Oilfield Standardization Project, coal to electricity in Beijing Tianjin Hebei Project, integrated underground utility tunnel project, machine well diesel powered to electric powered project, and other domestic and foreign power key projects to provide high quality supporting. OneShare Power Technology, leading through continuous innovation, has won the trust of customers with the supreme quality. The company possesses advanced testing equipment, first-class production technology, and an excellent management team. With a dedicated service philosophy, it operates domestically while expanding globally. OneShare Power Technology is committed to building a distinctive corporate culture with its own characteristics to help a healthy development. Upholding the corporate spirits of appreciation, cooperation, responsibility, implementation, persistence, and communication. The company always adheres to the mission of providing a reliable choice for electric power development, grows together with the employees and develops together with customers. OneShare Power Technology, illuminating countless homes, empowering the world. Gather all wisdom to connect the future.